What's going on, y'all? We've got a nice treat from Husqvarna. We've got a loaner slash demo Husqvarna 585. I've made a couple of cuts with it and really haven't had a chance to do much. When it came to us, it only had a little bit of run time on it and it was a little sluggish on a cold start. I did have to richen up the low side just a touch. Seems to do just fine. Let's see, we'll get a little bench time with this. We got hand file chain, you know, I'm average or so. Nice empty can right there, nothing in it. Spark screen's still in there. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, you'll have all the modern things, you know, the choke and kill switch work exactly like the 550, 562, 572, yada yada yada. This has got 28-inch bar on it. Let's do some cutting, see how she does. First quick impressions, as always, Husky's did an outstanding job with anti-vibe. That chain's got a little bit of a chatter to it in this hard ass oak, and it's silky smooth. You got those nice cable stops for the anti-vibe. Excuse me. This is a nice hot tune on these. This is still a traditional carburetor, so got your high and low adjustments right there, your idle speed adjustment. So this is, you know, 100% still a standard chainsaw, you know, no electronics, nothing fancy. So for those of you who like old school, there's some new old school. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that. We'll try and do a little bit more cutting with it and get into it a little deeper, see what's inside on the next video. Take care.